In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Canva. Logging out might seem like a tiny thing, but it's an important habit, especially if you're using a shared or public computer, or if you manage multiple Canva accounts. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few quick tips so you always know you've signed out safely. First, make sure you're on your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see after you log in, where your recent designs and templates are displayed. If you're inside a specific design, look for the home button at the top to get back to the dashboard before you continue. Once you're on the dashboard, shift your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. This area is where Canva keeps your account controls. You should see a small profile icon there. Depending on your account, this might show your photo, your initials, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click that profile icon. As soon as you do, a drop-down menu will appear next to it. This menu contains several account-related options, such as viewing your profile, accessing settings, or switching between teams or accounts. Among these options, look for the one labeled Logout. Click on Logout. After you select it, Canva will begin signing you out of your current session. Give it a moment for the page to reload. You'll typically be taken back to the Canva login page or a welcome screen, where you'll see options to sign in or create an account. That's your confirmation that you've successfully logged out. If you don't see the login page after a few seconds, try refreshing your browser. You can also close the tab and reopen Canva's website to double check that you're no longer signed in. This is especially useful on shared devices like office computers or school laptops. As a quick tip, if you use Canva on more than one browser or device, remember that logging out on one doesn't always log you out everywhere. It's a good idea to repeat these steps on each device you've used just to be safe. And that's all there is to it. You're now able to confidently log out of Canva whenever you're done designing, keeping your work and your accounts secure.